In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Higgsfield AI, quick and easy 2026. To get started, open Higgsfield AI and log into your account. Once you're inside the platform, head over to the video section. This is where you'll find the editing tools you need. From there, select Kling O1 Edit. This opens the editor that allows you to work with your clip and apply AI-powered changes, including replacing the background. Next, upload the video you want to edit. Click Upload, then choose your file from your device. If you're trying this feature for the first time, it's a good idea to test it with a short clip before processing a full-length video. That makes it faster to review the results and easier to make adjustments if needed. It can save you time, especially if you're experimenting with different background styles. After your video is in place, upload the image you want to use as the new background. This image will guide the final look of your edited video, so choose something that fits the mood and setting you want. Try to make sure the style and lighting of the background match your subject as closely as possible. For example, if your video is bright and evenly lit, a dark dramatic background may not blend as naturally. A good match usually leads to a more realistic result. Once both files are uploaded, enter a prompt to tell the AI what kind of background replacement you want. Keep your prompt simple and clear. You could say something like, replace the background with a modern luxury office, replace the background with a cinematic city skyline at sunset, or replace the background with a tropical beach. The goal is to describe the scene in a way that helps the AI understand the environment you want to create. Now take a moment to adjust the settings before generating the final result. Set the resolution based on the quality you want, choose the aspect ratio that fits your platform, confirm the duration, and review any quality settings available in the editor. These options help control how the finished video looks and whether it matches the format you need for social media, presentations, or other content. When everything looks good, click Generate. Higgsfield AI will process the video and replace the original background with your new one. Once it's finished, review the output and see how the new scene looks with your subject. And that's how to change the background in Higgsfield AI quickly and easily.